Hey, what if you could have a fractional CFO for your business for $11 a month automatically send you reports every Monday morning? I just built an automation that does exactly that, so let's dive in and I'll show you how it works. So here we are in Make.com. This is the automation software we use. I'm going to go ahead and hit run once here, and I'm going to fire the data. And you'll see it's already running. So if you guys own an HVAC business and you use something like Service Titan, this is going to pull your information from Service Titan, your financial info. And if you use another system, it can do that as well. I pre-created some sample data just for this demo. And basically how it works is it pulls it, transforms it, sends it to AI for analysis, and then sends you an email. So you could get something like this every Monday morning. And let's go ahead and take a look at the email. So we'll just refresh the page here. So here we go. Hill Country Air Weekly CFO Report. So we'll just go through this real quick and scan through. So starting off pretty bad, as you can see. Hopefully this won't happen to you, but this is just an example. Jake Thornton is costing you money. He had 3 callbacks this week on $1,450 worth of work, and his average ticket dropped to $412, almost 40% below your 4-week baseline. Revenue fell to $52,341 this week, down almost $5,000 from your 4-week average of $57,211. Your average ticket dropped 7% to $602, mainly because membership sales are down. Only 17 out of the 87 customers bought memberships, a 19.5% attach rate versus your usual 28%. Brian sold 0 memberships and left 3 estimates on the table. Nathan only ran 6 jobs, and on the bright side, Marcus crushed it with an average of $745 was the average ticket, and 4 membership sales. So you've got $36,850 in unsold estimates collecting dust, and it just laid out some things there. And then not only does it give you all these financial insights based on all the data it pulls from something like Service Titan if you're an HVAC company, it also gives you, 3 things you can do this week that will significantly help you improve those financials. So I created a little document here just to talk over a few points, but I call this project the HVAC CFO reporting automation. So obviously it's really hard to run a business and make decisions without having data available to you and drawing insights from that data. So building this report yourself would probably take anywhere from like 2 to 4 hours if you already have Service Titan set up and everything kind of organized and ready to go. But that's a pretty conservative estimate. I would say, in reality, it could probably take you 6 hours to pull all this stuff and put it together and draw the insights and analyze it. And doing this every week, like during the busy season in the summer, for example, for HVAC companies, finding 6 hours on Monday morning is going to be almost impossible for most people that are running these businesses. This is like having a $5,000 a month fractional CFO for $11 a month. Not only that, being empowered to make better decisions by having the data you need will likely improve the business growth and profitability. I didn't actually calculate the ROI or return you would get on that because it's hard to quantify in a demo. But obviously you can see that having this information would definitely help you grow your business, make better decisions, and improve the bottom line, which is what almost all the HVAC owners that I work with right now really care about. So I hope you guys thought this automation was valuable. I work with HVAC companies and home service companies to build automations for them. And right now I'm really focused on helping as many HVAC companies as I can before the busy season. Because as you guys know, every summer, it just goes crazy busy. And having little automations like this, the analogy I have is like, instead of putting out fires every day, you can fireproof one day. Spend one day fireproofing everything, building a suite of automations. And then when the busy season hits, you have all these automations already built out for you. And it's going to really help you crush the summer and maximize revenue and grow your business as much as possible. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back next week with another video.